Hello guys, welcome to Foods Memory channel. Today we are doing egg dosa, special egg dosa. So first you should put the pan on the gas and then you should put dosa's dough and then spread with the spoon. Spread with the spoon without falling down, and then we should put some oil on the dosa and oil on the dosa. Then we should put 2 eggs on the dosa, 2 yellow eggs, and when you put it afterwards, you should spread with the spoon those eggs carefully without falling down, and then we should spread it carefully without falling down, and then we should take the spoon and wash and keep that spoon back. And then you should wait little, and then you should put some salt, and then you should put some red chili powder. After putting chili powder, you should flip the dosa backside. After little time, you should flip the dosa carefully backside, and then little you should wait, and then how it was like that only you should flip front carefully, and after little you should wait, and then you should fold the dosa, and then whichever plate you have, you take put that egg dosa on the plate, and then whichever you like chutney you can make and put on the plate, or you can eat like that only egg dosa. And please like and subscribe, comment, share please.